some magic tricks. I'm going to paste it on Facebook. I have a deck of cards here, an ordinary deck of cards. Take a look. Choose one card. For example, you choose the King of Hearts. Okay? It's the King of Hearts, right? King of Hearts. Okay. The King of Hearts I'm going to put at the top of the deck and put it in the middle, just like that. And what I'm going to do is to put the King of Hearts at the top of the deck. Now the top of the deck is the 8 of diamonds. How do we do that? If you snap your finger like that, and your King of Hearts goes at the top of the deck. See?
Yeah.
Again, one more time, the King of Hearts. At the top, put it in the middle. Then, where is your King of Hearts? It's not on the top. Why? Because you don't tap your fingers. Tap your fingers, then your King of Hearts will go at the top. Again, take a closer look. The King of Hearts. The King of Hearts is at the top of the deck. Slow motion, put it in the middle of the deck. Just like that. And snap your fingers. And your King of Hearts goes at the top. See? It's the King of Hearts. One more time. Take a look. The King of Hearts. Push it and show it to the camera. King of Hearts. Put it in the middle. And snap your fingers like that and it goes back to the top. One more time. Do a cut. The King of Hearts is here. And cut like that and it goes back to the top. Again. The King of Hearts. In the middle, a cut. 1, 2, 3. And your King of Hearts goes back to the top. Slow motion. King of Hearts at the top. Put it here. In the middle. Snap your fingers. Goes on the top. See? It goes back on the top. Okay. The King of Hearts. Put in the middle of the deck. Yeah. You see it's in the middle. What we're going to do is to shake the whole deck of cards and it goes back to the top. One more time. The King of Hearts. Say stop, stop, and put it inside the deck of cards. Now I'm going to put it upside down. Just like that. Put the half of deck of cards. See? And now, shake your cards like that. And the King of Hearts goes back to the top. Okay? That's one. The King of Hearts is on the top. Let's count on 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8. Take a look. Where is the King of Hearts? Here. Show it. Show it to the camera. Where is the King of Hearts? The top of mine. Okay? Bye-bye.